Good morning, afternoon, evening from wherever you are watching me. Once again, welcome to Hannatu's Corner. I am doing this video to appreciate all those that have fought this battle. That is this sister, that is this wonderful sister, is Hausa Christian Lady from Zamfara State. I want to appreciate God that she has been nominated among people that this government of Tinubu is given position. She is to be given position of permanent secretary in one of these parastatal, and the terrorists that have been terrorizing Hausa Christian in the north came up because she is married to a Yoruba man. She is married to a Yoruba man, but it's a Hausa woman from Zamfara Christian. They say that there's nobody like that. She's not from Zamfara State, and they are not accepting her nomination. I want to use this opportunity to thank all the people of her local governments, Tsafe local government from Zamfara State, that stood their ground, both Muslims and Christians that fought this battle. They came, they said this is their own, this is their blood, this is their sister. She said she's from Zamfara State, she's from Tsafe local government, she's a Christian. They know about her, they know about her family, and they endorse her for the nomination. Thank you so much. With this move, we can actually move the North forward. As long as we are having people that are trampling, that are hindering, qualified people, simply because Hausa, simply because they are Christians, they will not be given position of authority, they will not be given position of political offices, they will not be given their place to contribute their corner, to their quarter, in nation building. We have a serious problem in the north. I thank the Lord so much, and I thank you, people of Tsafe in Zamfara State, both Muslims and Christians, for fighting this battle and on behalf of this sister. Thank you so much. We have so many houses that are Christians that are qualified to do so much in the country because of the answering the call of Christianity. They have been suffering a lot of persecution, hindering them, not allowing them to hold different offices in different government parastatal. Thank you for this move, and we want to see more and more of it. And I appreciate the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu for this wonderful work they have done, and all the northern people, northern Nigerians. I know that both Muslims and Christians that are having Muslims that are fair-minded, they believe in peace, they believe in unity. I believe that all of us working together will move this nation forward and will move this our region forward. Thank you so much. I remain your sister Hannatu until I come your way again. Thank you.